Losing your phone shouldn't mean losing precious memories and vital information circumflex euros. Let's secure those text messages before disaster strikes. First, head to the Google Play Store, your central hub for all things Android. Tap the search bar at the top and type in SMS Backup and Restore. A variety of apps will appear, but we recommend choosing SMS Backup and Restore. By Carbonite, it's a reliable and free option. Tap the Install button and wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, open the app. You'll likely see a welcome screen. Tap Get Started. The app will request permission to access your SMS messages and phone logs. It's crucial to grant these permissions for the backup to work. Tap Allow for each request. On the main screen, you'll see a clear option labeled Set up a backup. Tap on it. Choose where you want to store your backup. Google Drive is a popular and convenient choice, allowing you to access your messages from any device. Tap on Google Drive. You'll be prompted to select the Google account you want to associate with the backup. Choose the account you regularly use on your Android phone. Now, select how often you want your text messages to be backed up. We recommend choosing daily for the most up-to-date protection. Review the settings to ensure everything is correct, and then tap Backup Now to initiate your first backup. The app will now begin backing up your text messages. The time it takes depends on the number of messages you have. Once complete, you'll see a backup completed successfully message, and that's it. Your text messages are now safely backed up, giving you peace of mind. Remember to repeat this process periodically to keep your backups current.